All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this. I'm in the house with a Pena Mula custom here with me for a quick maintenance video. But don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Guys, that's easy. You know that's easy. YouTube loves that kind of stuff. I love that too because makes me, connect with you guys and hear your opinion and sometimes you have questions. I like to reply if I know. Oh, okay, so here it doesn't come off. Anyways, we're gonna use a T8. That was a T10 for the pivot, and that's a T8 right over here for the handle screw. This is a well-loved knife. It's not a safe queen. It's beautiful. So I'm trying to clean it up. It's probably clean. But I'm gonna try to install some skiff bearings if I have them. If I'm able to remove this screw. Wow. I don't wanna, there we go. So just keep everything put together like that. Standoff is coming off. No, definitely I don't have these tiny bearings like that. Very, very tiny. That's usually like how a bearing looks like. So all right. I have a microfiber alcohol swab right over here to clean up the inside of this pena. And let's see if we can improve the action just by cleaning up, lubing up. Detent ball track is there, definitely. All right, there's no skeletonization, just some steel washers. Oops. Right, there you go. Which you can use like a set of magnets into the like little bag so it doesn't scratch. There you go. So that is done. Stopping, tiny stopping. Basically it's the same hardware as Apache, like Trapper, Burlow, all the small liner lock that Pena is making, which I love. I got a couple. Okay, so that is done. Definitely done. We got, let's do this underneath here as well. There you go. So we're all clean, right? So this also is done. Okay, let's put everything back together. Sorry. And we got these tiny bearings, which are actually ceramic, surprisingly. And 3 drops and 1 drop. Then the blade can go in like so. Then we got so standoff, they have to go in These guys go in from this side, so actually we could have done the other way around, because these guys are gonna go like here, so we can sandwich. Actually, we can do it. We can sandwich everything off from that side. If I can manage to pick up this tiny, wow, that's small, and another like 3 drops there. Okay. And the scale is going to be matching like so. Right. And from this side, we got the T10, right? T10. And this is done, guys. Look at this. Okay. And now we can do this. So that's not all the way down. It's just like to have these set like so and like so. All right. Okay. Here you go. So that is all in. And let's see here and here. Beautiful sound, by the way. A little bit too tight. Blade looks pretty centered. Okay, so let me see if we can release a little bit more the pivot and still have a no blade play. Actually, the action is really cool. It just it's interesting because it doesn't move. Like holding the vertical position, look, you just need like a very small, look at that, very small movement to close. Really interesting action. Love it. So there you have it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.